Hello, class 7 students. Let's start the geography. Chapter 2. I'm going to teach you here. The lesson name is atmosphere. Almost half of the chapter is already completed from here. And today I shall start you this from the greenhouse effect and global warming. And I want to say you that here is the only the main point I'm going to explain you. Okay, no need to worry about this. And see there, greenhouse effect and global warming. Greenhouse effect. What is the meaning of greenhouse effect? And it is a greenhouse, it is a natural process that warms the earth surface, which gives the heat, warm the earth surface. When the sun's energy reaches the earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected. See there, you can see these pictures. It is the sun ray is coming here. Okay, and from here some, okay, some of the rays, sun's energy reaches the earth, and okay, earth's atmosphere, reaches that earth atmosphere. It is the atmosphere, so you can see here, okay, which is in the purple color. It is the atmospheres, and this is the greenhouse. Okay, it is covers here. This is the earth. Okay, now see there, the sun rays, it is here, it is touched the atmosphere, and from here, okay, and some of it's reflected back to the space. Some here, some of the it is goes back. Okay, see there, it is goes back. Okay, the rays is sun's ray, it is goes back to the space, and the rest is absorbed, and some it is absorbed and radiated, okay, to the where in a rest it is absorbed by the greenhouse gases. Here it is goes there. Okay, and the absorbed energy warm the, and which is the absorbed, okay, which is goes in the greenhouse. This is okay, the absorbed energy warm the atmospheres, warm the atmospheres and the surface of the earth. Okay, means warm the energy which is provide the heat. Okay, the greenhouse effect, the whatever the rays, okay, the energy it is reached here, and that remainings it is goes in the greenhouse, then greenhouse it is make the atmospheres warm. Okay, now see here little bit, the earth cools off at night by giving out the heat in the form of terrestrial radiations. See, you can see there, due to the terrestrial radiance is goes here, okay, return backs, and some of this heat is absorbed, and some of the heat is, which is I already told you, which is absorbed by the greenhouse gases. Okay, gases of the atmosphere, and does not escape into outer space. Okay, is that gas is not goes out of the space. Okay, and this, and which gas is absorbed in the greenhouse gas. Okay, in greenhouse, that this it is prevents the earth from becoming excessively cold at night. This is the effect of the greenhouse. Okay, now see there is a other also, there are also some human made greenhouse gases. Okay, mainly and common gases, greenhouse gases, you know that what is the greenhouse gases there, water vapor, common gases. Okay, it is a water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane. Okay, and another also there, nitrogen oxide, ozone. Now see there, it is here. There are also some human made greenhouse gases. Some human made greenhouse gases also there is, that is the CFC. CFC is the chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons. This carbons also it is used here. We are using this. It is made up of the human, okay, gas. Actually it is used in the refrigerators like a fridge, okay, in some aerosols containers it is used. This gas is CFC gas is used, and halons which destroy the ozone layer. This is very dangerous. You should not use more and more this type, okay, because this gas is very dangerous for the ozone layers, and it is deflecting the ozone, okay. And ozone's deflecting substance, high concentrations of these gases in the Earth's atmosphere has resulted in it being warmed up to a great extent. It has led to a gradual rise in global temperature. It raised the temperature, okay. It raised the temperatures, which is refers what global warming. Now see here, causes of global warming. What is the global warming? What is the meaning of this? When the earth surface is totally the atmospheres, okay, it's totally the heat, okay, totally what the temperature it is become heat, okay, rises the heat due to the what certain gases, okay. The increasing in the temperatures of the earth's atmosphere caused by the increase of certain gases, due to the certain gas, okay, the gases which temperature is become a heat, okay, increase temperature is increased, and that time the totally the atmosphere is became very warm, okay, great warms, okay, totally it is totally heats, okay, that time that is the global warming occurred, okay. And now certain human activities have contributed to global warming. Some points is given here is which is done by the human beings. Due to the human activities, the global warming is causes, okay. The first point it is the burning of fossil fuels, okay. Burning of fossil fuels like petroleum, okay, coal. If we burn, okay, where it is burnt in the factories, no, industries, okay, where there, and due to the and in mainly in the vehicular traffics, due to the vehicular traffics, all this here mainly point is given here is, you can see here, okay, it is the fossil fuels such as coal and petroleums are burned, whether it is in industries, power plants, or by vehicular traffics, okay, by the vehicles traffics this. And these changes have been noticed since industrial revolutions, when coal as a source of energy started being used, okay, later followed by petroleum. And now see there, harmful emissions from industries and vehicles. The harmful chemicals is comes out from the industries and vehicles, okay, and like sulfur dioxide. This industries not only burn fossil fuels, the industries, factories, okay, whatever is there is, that is not only the burn the fossil fuels but also emit, there is a sound pollution is coming out, smoke, okay, smoke, smell, okay, different type of smell, chemical smells, and lights, more and more lighting is there, okay, and heat is produced from the what, from the industries. It is very harmful, and the mainly the gases, harmful gases such as oxides of nitrogen, sulfurs, and methanes, that which is pollute the air, okay. And mainly it is occurring in the urbanations, means urban areas, okay, in town areas, cities areas, okay, where is industrializations have, there is a mainly industrialization areas, okay, industries is there, factories is there, which is more and more it is increased, and vehiculars pollutions, okay, all vehicles pollution is more and more is there, excessive. And the next sorry, here is a point 3 is here is given, deforestation and meaning. Deforestation, see there, to cutting the trees, okay, to cutting the trees, the land, okay, using that, no, that is. And due to the rapid growth of population, more and more populations, okay, nowadays more and more population is, people is growing, their populations is growing, okay, and due to that, okay, what the to increase, if the population increase, where they live for the settlement, they making the house, no, they need a land, mainly for the agriculture need a land, okay, everything it is used where it is need the land to 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 use the land, what the forest should be destroyed, okay, the forest should be cleaned all, okay, that is main thing it is there. Forest covers are being cleared to give way to settlement, agriculture, mining activities, or industries. And forests are major carbon sink, and in their absence, the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere increased. Okay, if forest is cleaned, okay, absence of this, the carbon dioxide level in is carbon dioxide, if oxygens means forest, if there is, then the oxygens will get, no, if then if the oxygens is not there, then what is more, it is increase carbon dioxide, okay, and the carbon dioxide level it is increase, and automatically the carbon dioxide it is increase in the atmospheres, okay, and which trap the heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming, okay. And now number 4 point is given here is excessive rearings of farms animals, means more and more animals, okay, rearings of farms animals, okay, and keeping a large number of farms animals such as goats, sheep, buffaloes, and so on also contribute to global warming. It is also affected to the what, to the global warming, it is also causes, mainly the causes of the global warming, okay. When how it is the excessive rearing of farms animals, how it is causes the global warming, see there now, when farms animals digest, okay, when the animal digest their food, methane is produced in their at what, stomachs, okay, in the stomachs when they digest, okay, the animals digest, when they digest their food, that time the methane it is produced in their stomach, which is released in the atmosphere through their dung, okay, dung. And by removing large sections of forest to expand farmland and raising farm animals instead, humankind further disturbed the delicate balance in nature. And now what is here is main thing is farm, okay, animals, due to the what, animals digest their foods, and the methane is produced in their stomachs, the methane, okay, methane it is, and the methane gas it is a methane it is a what, it is reduced through their tongue, okay, and by it is removes large sections of forest, okay, due to the methane they removed there. And now removing large sections of forest to expand farmland, and other it is, there is one, it is two option is two is give point is given here is, one is the when they digest their food, okay, methane is produced in their stomach, and which is released into the atmosphere through their tongue, okay. And other section is what is there, when by removing large sections of forest to expand farmland and raising farms animal instead, okay, to rearings, okay, more and more animals they need a what, land it is using, no, the farmland, and it is raising the farm animals instead, and humankind further disturb the delicate balance. And Now see here, mainly there is a other point is there is what, by removing the large sections of forest to expand farmland, okay, and rising farm animals instead, okay. One is the more and more animals, if increase farms is increase, okay, they need a farmland, they need a place, okay, farmland, and rising farm animals instead, and decide humankind's further disturbs, okay. And mainly human also it is needed more and more areas, and in place of that again the uh, for animals also it is need, okay. That's so the delicate balance in nature by increasing the amount of methane in the atmosphere, and later on it is written the more and more farm is increased, farm animal is increases, then the increasing the methane gas it is increasing more in the atmosphere, it is increased, okay, in the atmospheres, disbalance is become, okay. And now 5 number is given as 5 point fertilizers for the agriculture, isn't it? Artificial nitrogen it is frequently used as a fertilizers for crops. For artificial nitrogens it is used, okay, it is used, okay, as a fertilizer for the crops, and some of these nitrogen is released, okay. Nowadays people to grow agricultures, okay, they use fertilizers, okay, to grow more crops, and some of these nitrogen it is released into the atmosphere, this nitrogens which is they are using in crops, okay, agricultures, they released into the atmosphere as a nitrogen oxide, and thus fertilizing the crops with artificial nitrogen increases, and artificial nitrogen nitro oxide, okay, it is increased, and the levels of nitrogen oxide in the air, okay. And now see dear students, it is given here is what is here, it is a sources of greenhouse gases, is this the table is given here, you can see there the sources of carbon dioxide from where it is getting, methane, nitrogen oxide, ozone, CFC, okay, where it gets the carbon dioxide when we burn, okay, burning the fossil fuels in industries and for transportation, deforestation, okay, that time the carbon dioxide it is what increase, and the methane and natural wetland, livestock waste, paddy fields, okay, from there the methane gas it is gets means increase, okay. And uses of chemicals, more and more chemicals, fertilizers use, burning of fossil fuels, the nitrogen oxide it is increased, and the transported the ozone layer in transported from the ozone layer, okay. And the CFC it is a liquid coolants in refrigerators, aerosols and aerosols, and form use CFC, okay, that is a human made gas it is CFC, okay, and it is used in the fridge also, okay. Now next it is impact of global warming, which is the effect of the global warming, okay. Tomorrow we shall start this, okay. For today only this much here it's completed here up to here. And for today's homework, okay, you have to draw this picture, okay, this drawing, greenhouse effect, all whatever it is mentioned here same to same, and you have to draw this in your copy, school copy, subject copy, okay, geography copy, and if you have a color you can color it by same way like same pictures I need, okay, whatever it is mentioning here all same to same, okay, all it's your homework. I hope you will do, you'll, okay. And tomorrow we shall start again, continue this, only the main points only I will say you, okay, explain you, okay. For this only this much, thank you.